Hey guys, so I recorded this quick how-to wing liner and ombre lip tutorial. For those of you who may be struggling in this area, these aren't the easiest things to do, but with practice, it'll become easier. I hope this video is helpful, and please like if you enjoy how-to videos, and also let me know in the comments other how-to videos you would like to see. I'm starting with my black gel liner and an angle brush. You can use any gel liner or you can also use a pencil. So what I'm doing right here is just pushing my eyelashes down to make room to put the liner on. And I always start at the end of my eye, the tail end, because it makes it easier. You never want to put a lot of product starting at the top. Now I'm just using my angle brush, flipping it forward and backward to move the product down to my inner corner. As I move closer to the inner corner, I'm not adding more product. I'm just using the product that's already on the brush. Once that's done, I go back to the tail end and just fill in where that dip was. I like it to be straight. Next, I'm taking my liquid black liner, and I think it's best for beginners to start with either a pencil or a gel liner as a guideline before they go in with the liquid liner. And with the liquid liner, I'm just filling in any holes in between my lash line that I might have missed. And then I'm going to go completely over the gel liner with the liquid liner. And I'm going to show you one more time on my other eye. We all have that one eyebrow that doesn't work. Just one side of the face just never works right. And this is the eye that gives me problems. If you mess up just like I just did, it's okay. Just take your concealer and clean it up. I can't go anywhere without an inner corner highlight, so I had to add it. Now onto the lips, I'm adding coconut oil to my lips. I actually added too much, so I'm blotting it off with a napkin. You just want to moisturize. Next, I'm just adding concealer to my lips just to mute out my natural lip color. I'll be using my brown liner in 3 colors from Colourpop. So I'm starting by outlining my lip with the brown lip pencil. I'm also going to take that brown color and kind of fill my lips in a bit. Next, I'm taking the color Stingray and I'm adding that over the brown a bit, but not going into the center of my lips. Then I'm adding the color Trap to the center of my lips. Next, I'm taking the darkest shade of the 3, R&B, and adding that around the outside of my lips and filling it in just a bit on the corners of my lips. And I'm going to pat that color in just so I can tell the difference between that shade and the lighter shades in the middle. Take the brown pencil again and lightly go around your lips one more time. Then I'm just taking my concealer to clean up my lips, and that's it. And this is the finished look with a matte lip. I love a matte lip, but I also like a glossy lip, so I'm going to show you what that looks like next. To make the matte lip glossy, it's pretty simple. Add some lip gloss to it and just pat it in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know more how-to videos that you would like to see in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys next time.